the vast majority of the innovations that we research don't make it to the market. And the model, therefore, is one where we have very, very high attrition rates, one of the highest attrition rates of any sector. And we've poured billions into research to try and accelerate research, improve research. You hear about quantum computing and other technologies that have been applied. But everything I've seen has really focused on the clinical aspects of improving attrition rates. But I was inspired by the course I'm on and one of the modules that I was on around leadership and followership. And it made me ask the question of myself that do we really consider leadership and the role that leadership has in terms of this dilemma, this concept of attrition rates? So what I did, to your point, I did design a research study. And obviously, in the company I work with, I had fantastic support from leadership. And I basically surveyed teams, asset teams that are working on these molecules at different stages of their life cycle to understand how they're working. So how do they work as a team? How effective is that as a team in terms of the collaboration, the cross-functional collaboration to the Deloitte point? And specifically what the literature pointed me towards, that is in knowledge-based sectors like life sciences, a typical hierarchical leadership actually doesn't work well. It doesn't correlate well to performance. In knowledge-based sectors, the sharing of information, the sharing of knowledge in a much more fluid way tends to lead to better outcomes. So this is proven. There is empirical data on this phenomenon. And I wanted to understand, is that how our teams are working in the organization that I survey?